Welcome to the Online Meditation Center. I just wanted to share a tiny little tip. Which will be a tool for you to get to know yourself better and how your awareness functions. So whenever you have a few minutes where nothing is happening and you're just by yourself and sitting there, probably sitting there thinking about something, then rather than being interested in what kind of thoughts are bubbling up in your mind, then instead turn your awareness and your focus toward where the thoughts are coming from. Where does these inner sounds and images spawn from? Because you might believe you are actually thinking them. And sure, some you do think, but most of the stream of mental sounds and images appear all on its own. And so pull yourself out of the focus on the stream itself of thoughts and see, where do this thought stream bubble up from? Where inside of you? And try to find a starting point, both for the sounds, the mental sounds, as well as the mental images, the mental emotions, and the imaginary tactile sensations. We have a mental aspect for each of our physical senses. And they all appear, and you're able to manipulate them, turn them on and off, or simply sit there in silence and watch them appear automatically. So try to see if you can actually pinpoint within your awareness, without thinking about it. Don't muddle this looking with more thought. Simply watch, acutely aware. Where do the different sense modalities, the mental reflection of them, appear within myself? Since you can actually see them, be aware of them, it means you are already prior to them. You are that awareness, the space that they appear within. So without you as the space that they can appear within being there first, they would not be able to appear at all. So make this a meditation technique where you just sit and you're acutely aware of the inner storm, the inner movements of yourself, and you just watch to see if you can see where do they spawn from. Can you find that exact point in yourself where your thoughts are born? And if and when you do that, then place your focus of self, your sense of self, if there's any sense there at all, prior to the spawning point, you could say, of your thoughts. Don't place your identity on the thoughts, because that's what you're doing every day. You're thinking and thinking and thinking and believing you are the one thinking it. Find the point where they appear and then go beyond that and remain there. Do not think to yourself, oh, where do they spawn? No, simply watch them appear and move prior to them. There's not actually any moving going on here because you are already prior to them. But I need to use words, right? So it's like diving into the layers of your awareness. And all the different layers contain a wall of information. And so you keep going deeper and deeper until you have the focus of your awareness before even the most subtle layer of information in your mind. Perhaps even prior to the mind itself. At the very center of your being, or at the very ground of your awareness. Whatever lingo you want to use. And then simply stay here. Forever. Right now. Have a great day.